Welcome to our latest video. Today we are talking about the top 8 drones under $100. If you're a drone enthusiast or just starting out, these budget-friendly drones will definitely catch your attention. We've spent hours researching and testing various drones to bring you this comprehensive list. All the links to the drones are in the description below the video. Subscribe our channel and click on the bell to stay up to date with latest technology reviews. So let's get started. Introducing the K6 Pro RC drone. Your professional 4K dual camera companion. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to capture stunning aerial shots with ease? Meet the K6 Pro RC drone, your ultimate professional drone companion. With its 4K dual camera and advanced features, taking breathtaking shots has never been easier. Let's take a closer look at what makes the K6 Pro RC drone stand out from the rest. The K6 Pro RC drone comes equipped with 4-way obstacle avoidance, ensuring that your flight is always safe and secure. The highlight night navigation light allows for easy tracking, even in low-light conditions. The one-button takeoff and landing feature ensures that even beginners can take to the skies with ease. The beauty shooting feature captures stunning visuals with ease, making you look your best from any angle. The optical flow positioning keeps the drone stable and steady, even in windy conditions. The speed switch allows you to switch between slow and fast speeds, giving you complete control over your flight. With the 360 degrees roll feature, you can perform stunning aerial acrobatics with ease. Using the app control feature, you can easily control your drone using your smartphone. The trajectory flight feature allows you to plan and execute your flight path, repeating it as many times as you like. With the headless mode feature, you don't have to worry about the drone's orientation, making landing a breeze. And with the gesture photography feature, taking a picture is as easy as giving a thumbs up. With a 20-minute endurance and HD image transmission, the K6 Pro RC drone is the ultimate professional drone companion. So why wait? Get your hands on the K6 Pro RC drone today and start capturing breathtaking aerial shots like never before. Introducing the P12 Mini Obstacle Avoidance 4K drone, the perfect drone for capturing stunning aerial shots and videos. Let's take a closer look at its impressive features. First up, the P12 Mini Obstacle Avoidance 4K drone is equipped with up-down, forward, backward, turn left, right, sideward flight capabilities, giving you complete control over your aerial movements. But that's not all. This drone also comes with GPS positioning and intelligent following, allowing it to accurately track and follow your movements. Need to capture stunning footage from a distance? The surrounding flight and waypoint flight modes have got you covered. Simply set your desired route and let the drone do the rest. And when it comes to capturing high-quality video and pictures, the P12 Mini Obstacle Avoidance 4K drone has everything you need. It comes equipped with a camera, video, gesture photography, Wi-Fi FPV, and optical flow positioning. But what really sets this drone apart is its intelligent obstacle avoidance feature. The drone uses sensors to detect obstacles, allowing it to avoid collisions and stay safe while in the air. Other useful features include altitude hold mode, headless mode, one-key return, and one-key takeoff landing. And if you want to customize your route, the drone also allows you to do that. In conclusion, the P12 Mini Obstacle Avoidance 4K drone is a must-have for anyone looking to capture stunning aerial shots and videos. Its impressive features make it easy and fun to fly, while also keeping you safe in the air. So why wait? Get your hands on the P12 Mini Obstacle Avoidance 4K drone today and start capturing breathtaking footage. Introducing the K9 Pro RC 4K Professional Drone, the ultimate way to capture stunning aerial footage. Equipped with a 4K electric modulation dual camera, you can capture incredibly detailed and crisp footage from high above. And with 4-way obstacle avoidance technology, you can fly with confidence, knowing that your drone will avoid any obstacles in its path. Even when flying at night, this drone excels with its highlight night navigation light, ensuring that you can see where you're going even in low-light conditions. With just one press of a button, you can effortlessly launch your drone into the sky or bring it back down to the ground. And when you want to capture stunning footage from a stationary position, the beauty shooting feature allows you to do just that. Plus, with optical flow positioning technology, you'll be able to fly precisely and steadily, even when you're flying close to the ground. And for when you need an extra burst of speed, the speed switch feature allows you to quickly adjust the drone's speed to match your needs. Finally, with its HD image transmission technology, you'll be able to stream live footage of your flight directly to your phone or tablet. The K9 Pro RC 4K Professional Drone, the ultimate way to capture stunning aerial footage. Order yours today. Introducing the S150 Brushless 4K Professional 5G Drone, the ultimate tool for capturing stunning aerial footage and photos. With its advanced features and cutting-edge technology, this drone is a game changer for professional videographers and photographers. One of the standout features of the S150 Brushless 4K Professional 5G drone is its compact and lightweight design. The folding fuselage makes it easy to transport and set up, no matter where your next shoot takes you. The dual shot switching feature allows you to switch between the front and bottom cameras with ease, giving you multiple angles and perspectives to choose from. The drone also comes equipped with an HD electric modulation camera that captures every detail in stunning 4K video quality. Safety is a top priority with the S150 Brushless 4K Professional 5G drone. It's equipped with obstacle avoidance sensors that detect and avoid obstacles in all directions, ensuring a smooth and safe flight. The optical flow positioning hover feature helps the drone hover steadily in place even in windy conditions. With its headless mode, gravity induction, beauty filter, and gesture recognition, you can focus on getting the perfect shot without worrying about controlling the drone. The 50x zoom feature allows you to get up close and personal with your subject, while the track indexing feature lets you easily track and follow moving objects. And with mobile phone control, you can operate the drone from your phone and even share your footage on social media in real time. The S150 Brushless 4K Professional 5G drone is designed for long endurance flights, allowing you to capture hours of footage without needing to recharge. The wraparound shooting feature lets you get panoramic shots of your surroundings, and the speed regulation feature allows you to adjust the drone's speed to match your desired shot. With its advanced features and high-quality camera, the S150 Brushless 4K Professional 5G drone is the perfect tool for capturing stunning aerial footage and photos. Order yours today and take your next shoot to new heights. Introducing the LSR-CXT9 Mini 4K Professional FPV Drone, the perfect tool for capturing your adventures in stunning detail. Let's take a look at some of its amazing features. First up, we have the 4K HD camera that delivers crystal clear images with incredible detail. Whether you're shooting video or stills, this camera ensures that your footage is always sharp and vivid. And if you're on the move, don't worry, the LSR-CXT9 Mini Drone has got you covered. Its portable folding body makes it easy to take with you wherever you go. Safety is always a top priority when it comes to drones, and the LSR-CXT9 drone is no exception. With dual camera switching and avoidance technology, you can be confident that your drone will navigate any environment with ease. And speaking of versatility, the LSR-CXT9 drone also features brushless motors and creative beauty filters, giving you even more control over your footage. And finally, if you ever lose track of your drone, no need to panic. The LSR-CXT9 drone has an automatic and precise return home function that ensures your drone returns to you safely. The LSR-CXT9 Mini 4K Professional FPV drone is the ultimate tool for capturing your adventures and creating stunning content. So why wait? Get yours today and start capturing your world in breathtaking detail. Introducing the S1S 4K Professional Mini Drone, the latest innovation in aerial photography. With its advanced 8K electric tuning and double camera system, you can capture stunning images and videos from above like never before. The S1S 4K Professional Mini Drone also features a 360-degree obstacle avoidance system that keeps it safe during flight. And with its optical flow hovering technology, this drone can stay steady in midair for perfect shots every time. Plus, with its gesture photography feature, you can take photos and videos just by using simple hand gestures. The S1S 4K Professional Mini Drone even has mobile HD image transmission so you can see everything your drone sees in high definition, and with its powerful brushless motor system, you'll get maximum performance and speed every time you fly. Safety is always a priority with the S1S 4K Professional Mini Drone, which features an electronic fence protection system to prevent accidents. And if you're feeling adventurous, the drone's acrobatic tumbling and trajectory delineation features are perfect for those who want to push their skills to the limit. So if you want to take your aerial photography game to the next level, look no further than the S1S 4K Professional Mini Drone. Introducing the S2S 4K Professional Drone, the ultimate tool for capturing high-quality aerial footage. With its wide-angle 8K high-definition Wi-Fi front lens and optical flow high-definition lens at the bottom, you can easily switch camera angles to capture the perfect shot. The altitude fixing function with optical flow positioning and fixed point function keeps the drone stable in flight, while the ultra-long battery life of the 3.7 volts, 3000 mAh lithium battery. You can stay in the air for up to 35 minutes. Customize your route by drawing the picture you want to fly on the app and let the drone do the rest. Control the drone with ease using the app mobile phone control, one-key return, headless mode, up and down, forward and backward, left and right side flight. Use gesture photography to take selfies on the go, while the obstacle avoidance gimbal components ensure that you stop without collision when encountering obstacles. The brushless motor provides stronger power and longer service life, while the product's light size and weight, with a body weight of 174 grams, make it easy to carry with you wherever you go. This professional drone features 2.4 GHz anti-interference technology, 6-axis gyroscope, and a more stable flight for more convenient control. So why wait? Get your hands on the S2S 4K Professional Drone today and capture stunning aerial footage like never before. Are you ready to capture stunning aerial footage of your adventures? Then you need the P9 4K Foldable Camera Drone. With its powerful features, this drone is perfect for capturing every moment of your outdoor activities. The front lens is equipped with a wide-angle 8K high-definition Wi-Fi camera, allowing you to capture breathtaking aerial views. And with the added electronic anti-shake feature, your footage will be even clearer. The bottom of the drone features a high-definition optical flow lens that can switch camera angles, along with a servo pan and tilt stabilization design. With an ultra-long life 3.7 volts, 1800 mAh lithium battery, you'll have up to 20 minutes of flight time. It only takes 80 to 100 minutes to fully charge. This drone also features customizable routes, allowing you to draw your desired flight path directly on the app. And with mobile phone control, one-button return, headless mode, and other features, piloting the drone is easy and intuitive. The P9 is also equipped with obstacle avoidance technology and can stop when encountering obstacles, making it even safer to fly. With its lightweight design and 2.4 GHz anti-interference technology, it is easy to carry and control. So why wait? Get your hands on the P9 4K Foldable Camera Drone today and capture stunning aerial footage like never before. Guys, that is all I had for today. If you have not seen these videos, I suggest you watch them. I hope you enjoy the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video thumbs up.